If there's one phone that knows how to make a camera phone, it's Vivo. The X100 Pro changed the game almost 2 years ago, and the X200 Pro only pushed it further. Now, the X300 Pro is around the corner, and with the China launch expected on October 13th. Vivo has already started teasing camera samples on Vivo, and one YouTuber even showed off the box on Twitter. So, let's break down what's going on here, but first subscribe to the channel for more such tech news, leaks and hands-on reviews. Now, the photos that have leaked look ridiculous. The main camera seems to be a 24mm lens with 1.57 aperture. Shots at 50mm look clean as well. Move into telephoto territory and it looks like an 85mm lens is in play. Push all the way to 728mm, that's roughly 30x zoom. And sure, you can see some signs of upscaling. But honestly, it still looks more polished than last year's 85mm samples. We still have the Zeiss image processing, but now we are looking at better zoom and sharper details. And those different focal lengths from last year that made Vivo's cameras feel a bit different from everyone else's. Now, last year's X200 Pro had a stacked camera setup, 50 megapixel main, 50 megapixel ultra wide and a monster 200 megapixel periscope telephoto. This year, leaks suggest a similar formula but with upgraded sensors. The main camera is tipped to use Sony's LYT-828, a step up from the LYT-818 we saw in the X200 series. Then there's the hyped up 200 megapixel telephoto. This time it's reportedly a Samsung ISO cell HPB sensor, and yes, the code name is apparently Thanos. If your camera is named after the guy with the Infinity Gauntlet, it better snap.
Inevitable.
It also confirmed that the X300 Pro will be compatible with the Vivo Zeiss 2.35x Telephoto Teleconverter kit. This teleconverter will extend the zoom capabilities of the phones and also offer snapshots and portrait modes. If Vivo nails all of this, they could lock down the Android camera crown and maybe even push Samsung to work harder with the S series. Now, after all the buzz around the cameras, let's talk about the design. The Vivo X300 Pro is set to come in 4 colors: gold, black, white and blue. It's definitely nice to see more color options this year, but overall, look won't stray too far from last year's model. I would personally love to see that chunky camera module slimmed down a little. On the front, you are looking at a 6.78-inch flat BOE certified QLED LTPO display. The panel should be slimmer and a bit easier to hold compared to last year, while still keeping that flagship level brightness and smoothness. And because a camera-heavy phone needs some serious processing power, the X300 Pro will be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chip and the V3 Plus imaging chip, so the phone is clearly built to handle heavy-duty photo and video tasks. On the software side, it will run FunTouch OS based on Android 16. So yeah, the leaks really make X300 Pro look like another camera monster from Vivo. Some of it's confirmed, some of it's still rumors, and we will only know for sure once the phone officially launches on October 13 in China. If Vivo follows its usual cycle, the India launch is expected somewhere between early to mid-December. And honestly, I would expect it to land under 1 lakh rupee mark. Anyway, if the video is useful, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.